So, in this lecture, we will see how to use trim and its feed and speed for non-cutting move. So, my workpiece is defined, we have already defined, and now I'm going to select this adaptive milling, and this time I just want to create my operation in between this pocket. So, directly go to this geometry and here in trim boundary, I'm going to select this face and instead of inside trim outside. So outside of this boundary all the faces will trim, means toolpath will not generate for rest of the face. So now we have only one single face. Okay, and generate. So it is here. So again go to this and from the plane specify my plane is here. Okay, okay, generate. And from this non-cutting move I'm going to change this cutting move and the ramp angle is 31 degree, and speed spindle speed for non-cutting is 80 and feed is also 80, and if you want to keep some dwell time so keep. So click it generate, the part is not generating any toolpath, so go to this cut level and change it to user defined, and the depth of cut is 95%, no problem, and my top is this upper face. Okay, and add one new range which is this bottom of this face, so want to cut up to this face. Okay, and generate it. So toolpath is generated for this selected face only, and non-cutting move and the feed and speed we have assigned for this non-cutting. Generate and verify. It is too fast, so slow it down. Okay, and if you want to see this smoothly, see. Okay, now the feed is 250 and back. Now it is engaging. Stop and okay. So in this way we can customize our non-cutting move. Okay, and okay.